Hi everyone, welcome to SEO Space. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through our suggested keywords functionality on the SEO Space plugin. And this comes at a really good time because I'm actually working on improving a new version of SEO Space's homepage. As you can see, I've got some things that I need to improve on. And our suggested keywords is a functionality that comes up when you've scanned a page for a keyword. So for example, I've scanned this page for Squarespace SEO plugin. It's given me step-by-step improvements of how to rank higher for this keyword. And when we go to suggested keywords, you can see when we click the drop down, we've got two different sections. First of all, go into this bottom section. These are recommended keywords to add on this web page based upon what it already ranks for. So these are actually keywords that this web page is already ranking for. We take these suggestions from Google Search Console. So if you want to boost your chances of ranking higher up for what you already rank for and already show up on Google for, you should include these keywords in red on this web page because they're not specifically mentioned. So that's just something to help you rank higher up for what you already rank for. And then when we come up here, these are suggested keywords based upon the keyword that you've entered. So these are actually keywords that we find that are related to whatever you've entered here. And these are really important because these help boost something called your topical authority. Topical authority is essentially how you show to Google that you're an expert in the space. And you can do this by including different related keywords to the main keyword that you want to rank for. So for example, I want to rank higher for Squarespace SEO plugin. So we've detected that we should probably include things like Squarespace Yoast, Yoast for Squarespace, etc. These different variations that people actually search for that are related for this keyword. And a really neat feature that we've actually added, we also show the search volume, i.e. how many people actually search for these keywords per month. So we're not only giving you keywords that boost your topical authority, help you rank for other related keywords to the main one that you want to rank for, but they're also backed by data. So you also know that the suggestions that we're giving you, if you rank for these, you're also going to attract your target customers. So there you are, guys. That is our suggested keywords functionality. Of course, if you want to do more keyword research and find keywords that you're confident your target customers are searching for, that's where you can use the keyword research functionality on our dashboard. One thing that I will note that including or not including these suggested keywords is not going to impact your SEO score. This check is actually separate from your SEO score. And the reason why is sometimes you just may or may not want to include these keywords. Depending on the content that you've actually got on this web page, it might not make sense. You may actually want to create a different page to target these keywords, which is why we do not include it in your score, which just gives you that extra bit of flexibility and ability to include the keywords that make sense for you. Of course, if you've got any questions, feel free to leave a comment below or head over to SEO Space's support channel. And of course, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.